Hello everyone, welcome back to our Telugu learning session. And in this session, we will learn about common Telugu idioms, proverbs and their meanings, native expressions, cultural usage, and speaking like a native. Okay, so let's begin our session today. So, how to say handful of water in Telugu? That means చేతిలో నీళ్లు పోయడం. చేతిలో నీళ్లు పోయడం. So these are idioms, right? So you will use these idioms instead of some other meaning, right? So when you say చేతిలో నీళ్లు పోయడం, that means handful of water. For what you will use? You will use it for lose control. Lose control. And next, eye on something. కంటి మీద ఉంచడం. కంటి మీద ఉంచడం. Right? So, for what you will use it? Keep an eye. That means you want to keep an eye on something that you are observing. Then you say, కంటి మీద ఉంచడం. Heart melting. That means you are feeling emotional. Right? So, in Telugu, you will use హృదయం కరిగింది. హృదయం means heart. కరిగింది is melting. హృదయం కరిగింది. Handful of water is చేతిలో నీళ్లు పోయడం. చేతిలో నీళ్లు పోయడం. Eye on something. కంటి మీద ఉంచడం. కంటి మీద ఉంచడం. Heart melting is హృదయం కరిగింది. హృదయం కరిగింది. Hru might be a little difficult for you to say this word, but practice. హృదయం. హృదయం. Okay? హృదయం కరిగింది. Headstrong. Headstrong is stubborn. Right? తలపట్టు. So these are literal meanings from English to Telugu conversion. Okay? తలపట్టు. Stubborn. Face value is ముఖ విలువ. ముఖ విలువ. Next, empty words. ఖాళీ మాటలు. ఖాళీ మాటలు, which is used for false promises.